Oh my gosh. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Chris, superstar Chris. How old are you and what grade are you in?
I am 14 and I'm in the 9th grade.
Chris is a ball of energy. He is an amazing kid.
What did you enjoy about being in the studio today?
I like to go around, meet people.
Hey, Chris, welcome. Hey, you dressed up.
Like playing a meteorologist thing, and I was on an anchor thing, and I was like having fun. And I got to meet you, so it was cool.
He loves to dance. He loves to sing, act. He is going to be on the big screen one of these days. That's his goal.
I like to make people laugh. And I like to act. I play percussion, so I beat on the drums. I play the maracas. I play the xylophone. I like to do anything that's fun, basically.
He does talent shows, and he just did one last week and won his talent show.
I want to be a dance instructor. I care and I love everyone. I talk to everybody.
Chris is a really friendly and outgoing. Chris would fit into any family, really.
I want a mom and a dad. I want siblings, and I do want a dog, actually.
You do? Okay.
I would love a family that takes me in as their own.
He's so lovable.
He is.